Hi, I'm John Stokdyk from AccountingWEB. I've come to Warwickshire to the Digita's Synergy 2016 conference. I'm with product manager Ian Cooper here, who's just unveiled the company's new Onvio practice environment. Ian, what's driven the whole product development behind Onvio, and what is it?
Hi John, thanks for coming up today. Onvio has been developed over the past couple of years. We were listening to our clients and we were listening to what they wanted. Gradually over time you'll be seeing the migration to the tax, as was mentioned earlier, and you will also be seeing migrations of the other products, Company Secretary. But by the end of the year or early next year we will have company incorporations.
Okay, so you can tell me a bit more actually what is Onvio and what does it do? Give me maybe a little speedy tour around the facilities?
Yeah, sure thing. So it's completely cloud-based and it is designed with a very modern look and feel. So as you can see up here, this is the first screen that you're presented with when you actually log in. And straight away you've got information such as jobs upcoming or overdue. You've also got up in the top right-hand corner a little picture of the member of staff with notifications about any interactions they've had with their clients. We start with Onvio Documents, which is the document management aspect of this. And if I just go into my documents here, I've got a list of clients and I can go straight into the clients. The nice part about Onvio is it has a client-facing product called Client Center. So, and documents can be shared with clients seamlessly. They're automatically told when any files have been added to specific folders via prompts on their email or onto their smartphone. You can see, for example, this folder here is shared. It's got the inverted V, and when I hover over it, it says shared folder. And you can also have a look at what relationships that folder's shared with. So that could be directors of the company, members of the partners of a partnership. There's a great feature built into Onvio, and that is the request functionality. So you can send clients specific requests to complete work for you or send you documents. So if you're missing certain bits of information, you can come in here and create a request. And you can add multiple parts to the request. So I've got the information request for a tax return here. And you can see that the client's only completed 50% of the questions that have been asked. So when I click in here, I can see what questions have been asked. So I need the mortgage statement. They've told me they don't have them. Or for example, if there's any charitable donations, this would tell the client that to send that in via this notification. Having documents and interaction within a cloud-based system, you can see if they've seen requests, you can see if they've responded to requests, and you can see if they're ignoring requests. So they might have viewed something. So for instance, you've had the example of sending somebody a bill and then the client saying, I don't remember receiving a bill. This way, you've actually got an audit trail of interactions that the client have had with it. So that gives you the ability to know exactly what actions have happened for any of these requests. If you note that there hasn't been a response to the request, as you can see here, we've got the resend email option. At the moment, this is a manual process, but we are building in that to be linked with a time feature. So let's say if a request hasn't been responded to within 2 weeks, another reminder email would be sent out. So this is, with Onvio, really helping the workflow of practitioners, especially as more and more tasks get ladled onto the members of staff in a practice. The more we can automate those reminders, the more time it gives the accountant to focus on things that they actually need to do day to day that software can't do. And we've also got, just as standard, and somebody was asking this question earlier, if I go into Onvio site setup, we think it's so important that we've actually written and provide all of the text that the firm just needs to copy into their website. So this is HTML text, jargon for, but paste that into your website backend and that will automatically create a username and password prompt within a specific section on the website.
So for the moment, this sits alongside your desktop tools and you load up the returns or the clients load documents, the practitioner sends back returns. I notice on the screen there's a lot of the old tools are there. This is a big step for Thomson Reuters into the cloud. What's the plan for the other functional tools and where are you going to take this product?
Okay, so at the moment we have the document management and the client center with electronic signatures. We've got company incorporations by the end of the year. We're also then producing time and billing. So this creates a core of products. And then we will be, as I said, adding additional products such as personal tax. Already we're in a position to submit a SA 100 with certain conditions that have been met, so, or certain sources of income that have been applied.
Okay, Ian, thanks very much for that quick intro. We'll be hearing more about it throughout the rest of the year, I expect.
Okay, great. Thank you.